This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Valid ID, the new phone number active with its SIM, and that you're logged into the right Gcash account. Once ready, open the Gcash app and tap your profile. Next, go to Account Settings. This is where the change process starts. Make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can hide options. If you see two-factor prompts, pause and prepare to verify via SMS or email. Now proceed to the phone number section to submit your request. You'll now follow the verification sequence. This ensures security and legal compliance. Take a clear photo of your ID, then a selfie and any live capture the app requests. This confirms the ID matches you. Next, enter the new phone number carefully, including the country code if needed, and double-check for typos. Attach or fill any additional forms the app asks for, then review everything once more. When accurate, tap Submit or Confirm to send your update for processing. Once submitted, you wait for Gcash confirmation via SMS or email. Processing times vary, so be patient. If approved, you'll receive a final confirmation and the new number becomes active. If the request is rejected, the message will include a reason. Read it, then correct and re-upload clearer ID photos or retake the selfie. If problems persist, contact Gcash help through the in-app chat or hotline. Provide your reference number and concise facts so they can escalate your case effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.